Okay, today I'll show you the difference between the standard BMW G310R horn, which is this one here, and a slightly larger horn, which is the Hella Strong Tone S90. This one here is the low frequency one, designated by an L, and I think it gives quite a good sound, especially compared to the stock one, which sounds a bit tinny. So first I'll put this one back in. I've actually cut the plug off and just put a generic connector on there, as well as this one here. That enables me to, at a later stage, put the standard one back on or swap it out for a different horn altogether. Yeah, so let's go. So here's the standard horn. That's I've put that back in. And I'll just turn on the bike. There you go. Press the horn over here. And now I'll replace that. Okay, so here I've got the Hella Strong Tone S90, the low frequency, installed, and it actually fits quite nicely in there. And I'll just press the horn, and that is much louder than the standard horn, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now I'll show you when I push this across all the way to lock, and you can see there's still enough room in there for the horn, so that's actually quite a nice fit. There you go. I hope this has been some help to you. Unfortunately, you can only install one horn on the G310R because there's no room on the other side. As you can see, there's no room for another horn, unfortunately. You could always put one in here somewhere, but that would just mess with the look of the thing. Yeah, so that's it. That's the Hella Strong Tone S90, the low frequency. It comes in a 2-pack. I picked it up for about $30 from eBay. If you know of any other horns that'll fit with the G310R in this location, let us know in the comments. Okay, thanks.